Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Social Science online teaching classes from Vishwa Manava Residential High School. I am Mahabubi, your social science teacher. My dear students, today we are going to discuss about the business studies part of the second lesson, that is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. In this lesson we are going to discuss some of the important concept in this lesson, that is what is the meaning of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship, then the role and importance of entrepreneurship, then self-employment opportunities for entrepreneur, then small business enterprises, then the last concept in this chapter, that is some important entrepreneurs in India. These points we going to discuss in this lesson. Okay, my dear students, let's start. What is the meaning of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship? My dear students, entrepreneur is an innovator of new ideas into business process is called as entrepreneur. It is an innovator of new thinking ideas to build a new ideas, new thoughts into the business process is called as a entrepreneur. The word entrepreneur is derived from a French word that is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means to undertake some activities in the field of business is called as entrepreneur. My dear students, entrepreneur is an innovator of new ideas to build a new thoughts, to build a new ideas in the business process. In business, the entrepreneur decide what, how and how much of goods and services to be produced with new ideas for product markets. In simple words, an entrepreneur is someone who pursues opportunities, organizes resources needed for exploiting the opportunity. Understand? For example, computers, mobile phones, washing machines, ATMs, courier service are some of the examples of entrepreneur ideas that got converted into products or services. Understand? Then, what is the meaning of entrepreneurship? My dear students, entrepreneurship constitutes the driving force of day-to-day market economy. It is very powerful factor in changing the business environment of a country. My dear students, entrepreneurship means it is a process of an action of an entrepreneur who undertakes to establish his enterprise is called as entrepreneurship. It is a process of an action of an entrepreneur who undertakes to establish his enterprise. The another meaning of entrepreneurship, that is a person who set up a business taking on financial risks in the hope of profit. A business taking on financial risks in the business hope of a profit is called as entrepreneurship. It is one type of creative activity. It is one of the creative activity in the field of business. And then it is an ability to build and create something new ideas in the field of business process. It is an ability to build and create something new ideas. Then it is a knock of sensing an opportunity. Sensing on opportunity where everyone to in the field of business process. Then entrepreneurship is the attitude of mind to seek opportunities, take calculated risks and drive benefits. Understand? It is one of the creative activity. Then what are the characteristics of an entrepreneur? Very important concept. Characteristics of an entrepreneur. First one is creativity. The characteristics of an entrepreneur, that is creativity. The second one is dynamism. The third one is leadership. The fourth one is team building. Fifth characteristics of an entrepreneur, that is achievement motivation. Next, problem solving. Then goal orientation. Then risk taking. Then decision making. Then commitment and self confidence. These are the characteristics of an entrepreneur. Creativity, the ability to make or produce new things using skill. Creativity is characteristics by the act of ability of turning new and imaginative ideas into the reality of the business. Then dynamism, it is in terms of great energy or force in the field of entrepreneur, in the field of business. Then after leadership. Leadership, it is the art of motivating a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal. That is leadership. Then after team building. Team building, it is a very important characteristics of an entrepreneur. A group of people to work together effectively as a learn, that is team building. Then achievement, motivation, problem solving in any type of problem. Then the entrepreneurs has to be problem solving. Then goal orientation, individual disposition towards developing one's ability in achievement setting, that is goal orientation. Individual disposition towards developing one's ability in achievement setting. Then risk taking. In the risk taking, the entrepreneur, a person who set up a business taking on a financial risk in the hope of profit. That is the one type of risk taking. Then decision making, commitment and self confidence. These are the characteristics of an entrepreneur. Then the next concept we are going to discuss, that is functions of entrepreneur. An entrepreneur has to pursue opportunities, plan, organize resources and oversee production and marketing. The main important functions of an entrepreneur, that is entrepreneur starts business activity by preparing various plans relating to business. The entrepreneur, he start the business activities by preparing various plans related to the business. The next, entrepreneur organize factors of production. He organize factors of production. It is one of the four main economic factors of production like land, labor, capital and organization. There are four important factors of production: land, labor, capital and organization. It is a very powerful factor in the changing business environment of a country. Understand? Then the third main important functions of an entrepreneur, that is he takes decision about product, technology, marketing and employment. He takes decisions about the products, technology, marketing and employment in the business process. Then he coordinates things effectively. Very important. He coordinates things effectively. Then he handles budget of his concern. Then he breaks risks and uncertainty. Then he gives direction to the business firm and ensures its effective operation. These are the main important functions of an entrepreneur. In the entrepreneur, we can see he coordinates thinking effectively. He introduces new methods into practices in the field of business. He handles budget of his concern. He breaks risks and uncertainty in any type of financial risks in the hope of profit. Profit, it is the main hope in the field of business. In every type of business, the main intention, hope of profit. Understand? These are the functions of an entrepreneur. Then role and importance of an entrepreneur. Role and importance of entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are the business leaders. Entrepreneurs are the business leaders. They play the most important role in the economic growth and development of a country's economy. It is one of the most important role in the growth of economic development of a country economy. Entrepreneurs play a very important role not only in the development of industrial sector of a country but also in the development of agriculture and service sector. Understand? My dear students, entrepreneurs play a very important role not only in the development of industrial sector of a country but also in the development of agriculture and service sector. The major role played by the entrepreneurs in the economic development, there are, the first one is entrepreneur promotes capital formation by mobilizing the ideal savings of the citizens. My dear students, entrepreneurs promote capital formation. It promotes the capital formation for setting by their enterprise. That is a major role of the entrepreneur. Then the entrepreneurs provide large scale employment. It provides large scale employment, technically qualified person and professionals. It provides the large scale employment opportunities in the business process. Then entrepreneurs help the country to increase gross domestic product and per capita income. Very important. The entrepreneurs helps the country to increase the income of the country, like national income, per capita income and gross domestic product, GDP, to increase the income of the country. Understand? Then entrepreneurs encourage effective mobilization of skill, bring in new products and services, and develop market for the growth of the economy. Entrepreneurs encourage effective mobilization of skill, effective new products, effective new services, and develop markets for the growth of the country. Then entrepreneurs enable people to better quality of goods at lower process, to avoid better quality of goods at lower low prices. Then entrepreneurs promote development of industries. It promotes the development of industries. Then entrepreneurs contribute towards the development of the country, development of the society, by reducing concentration of income and wealth. My dear students, entrepreneurs contribute towards the development of the society. Then entrepreneurs promote country export trade. It promotes the exporting trade. Then entrepreneurs work in an environment of changing technology and try to maximize profit by the innovation. My dear students, I already told the main intention of the entrepreneurs, that is profit, in the hope of profit. Profit, it is the main intention of the entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs working in an environment of changing technology and try to best maximize profit by the innovations. These are the role and importance of an entrepreneur. Then one of the important concept in the entrepreneurship, that is self-employment opportunities for entrepreneurs. The self-employment opportunities. What are the self-employment opportunities in the business field? My dear students, the self-employed are backbone of a nation. It is the self-employed are the backbone of our country. What are the examples of self-employed entrepreneurship? What are the examples of self-employed entrepreneurship? For example, corner tea shop. It is also the self-employed opportunities. Then internet cybers shops are the examples of self-employment opportunities. Understand? The government of India has been at the forefront to promote private entrepreneurship by providing the right to socio-economic ecosystem for innovation and development. My dear students, the self-employment opportunities for entrepreneur, like advertising agencies. It is one of the self-employment opportunities for entrepreneurs in any type of advertising. Then marketing consultancy, then industries consultancy, then industrial testing labs, internet browsing or cyber, installing and operating of TV network, then beauty parlors. These are the self-employment opportunities for entrepreneurs. Advertising agencies, marketing, industrial equipment rental and leasing, photocopy centers or X-ray centers, industrial research and development, industrial testing labs, internet cyber cafe, installing and operation of TV network, beauty parlors. These are the self-employed entrepreneurs. Then what are the self-employment schemes? The self-employment scheme are financial institutions that render loans to self-employment schemes. What are the loans to provide it for entrepreneurs? Finance is one of the essential requirements to start an enterprise. Without advocate funds, no business can be started. Without fund, without money, there is no business can be started or developed. Understand? The government, both at the center and the state levels, have set up the several financial institutions. These financial institutions help even small business industries, small scale industries by providing loans. What are the some important financial institutions are providing self-employment schemes? Let's start. The first one is Industrial Development Bank of India, IDBI. Industrial Development Bank of India, it started in the year 1964. The Industrial Development Bank of India to provide credit and other financial facilities for the development of the Indian industry. Understand? The second important financial institutions of the self-employment scheme, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. It was started in the year 1982. It is an development of financial institution in India in the field of credit for agriculture and other economic activities in rural areas in India. Understand? The next, Export and Import Bank, Exim Bank. It can be called as Exim Bank, Export and Import Bank. It was started in the year 1982. The Import and Export Bank for financing, facilitating and promoting foreign trade of India. Financing, facilitating and promoting foreign trade of India. The next, another financial institutions that render loans to self-employment scheme, that is Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI. Small Industries Development Bank of India. It is a financial institution for developing and financing micro, small and medium enterprise sector. Understand? Then Industrial Finance Corporation of India, IFCI. Industrial Finance Corporation of India. It also started in the year 1948. These financial institutions has to be provide industrial finance in the in the industrial field of the economy. Then Industrial Credit and Government Corporation of India, ICICI. Industrial Credit and Government Corporation of India. Then Industrial Reconstructions Bank of India, IRBI. The Industrial Reconstructions Bank of India. Then Commercial and Other Banks. Then State Finance Corporation. Then LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. Then Unit Trust of India. These are the important financial institutions of self-employment schemes. Understand? The next we going to discuss, that is promotional organization. Promotional organization. The both central and state government have introduced many measures to support the growth and development of the entrepreneurs. Both the central and state government has been introduced many provision measures to support the growth and development of the entrepreneurs. A number of promoting agencies and institutions have been set up to help entrepreneurs to start especially small and medium scale enterprise. These institutions support for entrepreneurs in respect of training, financing and marketing. Understand? Respect of training, financing and marketing. Some such institutions are, the first one is district industrial centers, then Small Industries Development Corporation Limited, then National Industrial Corporations, National Small Industries Corporation, then Small Scale Industries Board, Small Industries Service Institutions, then Industrial Estates, then Khadi and Village Industries Corporation, and the last one is Technical Consultancy Organization. These are the one of the most important promotional organization in the field of entrepreneurs. District Industrial Centers, Small Industries Development Corporation Limited, National Industrial Corporation, Small Scale Industries Board, Small Industries Service Institutions, Industrial Estates, Khadi and Village Industries Corporation, Technical Consultancy Organization. These are the one of the most important promotional organizations of an entrepreneur. Understand? The next very important concept in the entrepreneurship, that is profile of some successful entrepreneurs of India. Famous entrepreneurs of India. Very important concept. Okay, let's start. The first one is the famous entrepreneurs of India, that is Pratap Reddy. Pratap Reddy. What is the main enterprise in the field of business? That is Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital, it is the main enterprise of Pratap Reddy. He developed India's first hospital group, that is Apollo Hospital. He revolutionized India's whole healthcare sector, and today it has over 750 corporate hospitals on modern lines throughout the country. The main objective of the Pratap Reddy Apollo Hospital to provide medical facilities even to common people. To provide medical facilities. Dr. Pratap Reddy created a medical infrastructure in India which made financial care more effectively and accessible for everyone. Medical facilities even common people. What is the main achievement? It has 750 branches all over India. Understand? That is the Apollo Hospital. The main achievements of Pratap Reddy. Dr. Pratap Reddy. He is one of the famous entrepreneurs of India. The next, Naresh Goyal. He is the founder and chairman of Jet Airways. It is India's largest democratic airlines under private sector. Understand? The Jet Airways, it is India's largest democratic airlines under a private sector. What is the main objective of Naresh Goyal? That is operation of scheduled airways for domestic purpose. Largest domestic airlines under a private sector. What is the main achievement? The main achievement, I already told, it is the India's largest democratic airways under the private sector. Understand? The next, the famous enterprise of India, that is Narayan Murthy. The Narayan Murthy is one of the founders of Infosys Technologies Limited. The famous enterprise, that is Infosys Technologies Limited. He is the founder of Infosys Technologies Limited. Establishment of Infosys in the year 1999. Infosys became the first Indian company to be listed on NASDAQ, National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations, that is NASDAQ. Narayana Murthy is the founder of Infosys Technologies Limited. Infosys became the first Indian company to be listed on NASDAQ, National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. Then in 2006, the company employed over 5,000 people and had a over turnover of $2 billion. Then the another important famous entrepreneurs of India, that is Varghese Kurian. Varghese Kurian, he is the Indian social entrepreneur. He is the Indian social entrepreneur and he is best known as father of White Revolution. Varghese Kurian, he is called as father of White Revolution. Why Varghese Kurian is called as father of White Revolution? Because he is the renewed Indian social entrepreneur and is the best known as father of White Revolution for his millions of liters of milk flow. Amul milk and milk products is the achievement of Varghese Kurian. What is the main important achievements of Varghese Kurian? That is Amul milk. Amul milk and milk product is the achievement of Varghese Kurian. Helped in increase the lakhs of liters of milk production. Then he established a small scale Anand Milk Dairy in Kaira district in Gujarat state, and now it is the largest dairy development enterprise in India. Understand? Then the another important famous entrepreneurs of India, that is Dhirubhai Ambani. Dhirubhai Ambani, the main important enterprise, that is Reliance Telecommunication, started his enterprise with just 5,000 of capital in the year 1958. What is the main achievement of Dhirubhai Ambani? That is Reliance Petrochemicals, Telecommunication, Information Technology, Textile, etc. Understand? Then achievement of Reliance, that is Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani launched Reliance Jio 4G services. Dhirubhai Ambani, he was the most important enterprising Indian entrepreneur. Dhirubhai Ambani main important achievement, that is Reliance Petrochemicals, telecommunications, information technology, textile, etc. Then after another most important famous entrepreneurs of India, that is Azim Premji. Azim Premji, he is the chairman of Wipro Technologies. Azim Premji, he is the chairman of Wipro Technologies, which is the one of the most largest software companies of India. Largest software companies in India. The main important achievements of Azim Premji, that is, it is one of the largest software companies in India. The main important enterprise, that is Wipro Technologies. Then after another famous entrepreneurs of India, that is Ekta Kapoor. Ekta Kapoor, she is known as Queen of Indian television sector. She is the creative director of Balaji Telefilms and was awarded the Best Entrepreneur of the Year 2001. At the 19, she ventured into television production area. The Ekta Kapoor, she is known as Queen of Indian television sector. The main important enterprise, that is Balaji Televisions. She is the creative director of Balaji Televisions. Then he is called as Queen of Indian television sector. The main important achievement, that is the Best Entrepreneur Award in the year 2001. 2001, the Best Entrepreneur Award goes to Ekta Kapoor. Then another important famous entrepreneurs of India, that is Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, she is the chairman and managing director of Biocon Limited. She is the chairman and managing director of Biocon Limited, the largest biotechnology company in India. She started the company in the year 1978. The main important achievement of the Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, that is first woman to start an enterprise in biotechnology field. She started Biocon in the year 1979. Biotechnology was a new field and a woman entrepreneur promoted such an enterprise was very rare. These are the famous entrepreneurs of India. The famous entrepreneurs of India, that is Ekta Kapoor, Narayana Murthy, Varghese Kuren, Dhirubhai Ambani, Dr. Pratap Reddy, Naresh Goyal, Azim Premji and Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. Okay, my dear students, in this chapter we have learned what is the meaning of entrepreneur and what is the meaning of entrepreneurship. Then after, what are the characteristics of entrepreneur? What are the functions of entrepreneur? The role and importance of entrepreneurship. Then self-employment opportunities for entrepreneur. Then small business enterprise. Then after, some of the important entrepreneurs of India. These points we have discussed in this lesson. Okay, my dear students, the next class we are going to discuss the history part of the 5th lesson, social and religious reformation movement. Okay, my dear students, Thank you.